Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Kismawati with NPM 234124041 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video, I will explain about diversity in organizations. Definition of diversity in organizations. Diversity in organizations refers to a condition where employees or members of an organization have various individual differences. These differences may include cultural background, gender, age, education level, work experience, as well as personal values and ways of thinking. In today's workplace, it's very common for people from different backgrounds to work together in one organization. This diversity creates a workplace that consists of individuals with different perspectives, ideas, and experiences. Therefore, diversity is not only about visible differences, but also about differences in perspective and viewpoints that individuals bring into the organization. Types of diversity. There are several types of diversity that can be found in organizations. The first is demographic diversity. This refers to visible characteristics such as age, gender, race, and ethnicity. The second is functional diversity. This type of diversity refers to differences in educational background, skills, professional expertise, and work experience among employees. The third is value and perspective diversity. This relates to differences in belief, attitudes, and ways of face problems or make decisions. These different types of diversity shape how employees interact, communicate, and collaborate within the organization. Factors influencing diversity in organizations. There are several factors that contribute to diversity within organizations. One important factor is globalization. Globalization increases interactions between people from different cultures and countries. Another factor is differences in educational background and work experience. Employees often come from different academic disciplines and professional backgrounds. In addition, labor mobility also increases diversity because people move between regions or even countries for work opportunities. Finally, advance in technology and communication allow organizations to collaborate with people from various locations and cultural backgrounds. Because of these factors, modern organizations are becoming more diverse than ever before. Benefits of diversity in organizations. Diversity can provide many benefits for organizations if it is managed properly. First, diversity can increase creativity and innovation. When people with different ideas and perspectives work together, they can generate more creative solutions. Second, diversity provides broader perspective in decision making, which helps organizations make better and more balanced decisions. Third, diversity helps organizations better understand diverse customers and markets, especially in global business environments. Finally, diversity can help create a more inclusive and respectful work environment where employees feel valued and expected. Challenge in managing diversity. Although diversity has many benefits, it can also create several challenges. One challenge is the potential for conflict between individuals, especially when employees have very different perspectives or cultural backgrounds. Another challenge is differences in communication style, which may lead to misunderstandings. Diversity may also lead to stereotypes and discrimination if individuals don't respect or understand each other's differences. In addition, organizations may face difficulties in combining different perspectives into an evil decision. Therefore, organizations must implement effective diversity management to ensure that diversity becomes a positive force rather than a problem. In conclusion, diversity in organizations is an unavoidable reality in the modern workplace. Organizations consist of individuals with different backgrounds, experience, and perspective. When diversity is managed effectively, it can improve creativity, strengthen teamwork, and enhance organizational performance. However, organizations must also create an inclusive and respectful work environment so that every employee feels valued and respected. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.